Welcome back, guys. Sorry about the late updates, but I've been busy on the van, you know what I mean? Trying to find some bargains for the van as well. So I've done some bright ideas and hopefully it helps you. So my first bright idea, I looked on Spock. As I said, I don't want wooden floor in here because one, the kids and the water and the shower, they made the floorboards warp, and then everything, you know, the gaps were coming apart and stuff like that, and it didn't look nice. So what I've done this time, and you might think, to be honest, I wasn't going to do it. I wasn't going to put carpet. I've gone for tile carpets. I'll tell you the reason I went for tile carpets. I bought 40 tiles for £15, and you know, if you go to B&Q or Wickes, it's $3.99, no, $2.99 for a square, so for one. So to be honest, that's a bargain. So I picked them up, and what I'm going to do with the shower area, I'm going to get one of them plastic sheets, see-through plastic sheets. So when we have a shower, I'll just leave that out and then, you know, dry it outside or whatever. But anyway, the shower area is quite big, so you can dry yourself inside the shower. So yeah, I'll be starting on the shower after my diesel heater. I'm going to install the diesel heater. But let me give you a little look around to show you what I've actually done, because I want to explain my bed area, because it's higher. I'm going to tell you the reason why I've done it higher than lower, and why I use 4x2. So let me show you. Height I went on the bed, as you can see I've got the isolator switch. I've done quite a lot. I've done a lot of 12 volt, but let me get to the bed first. The reason I use 4x2, guys, is weight. And I didn't want to keep adding wood. As you can see, I've got no brace going along. I've just got one support leg and a support leg at the back. But it's 5 big bolts straight into the bodywork. You know, I might put one more leg at the back, and you can see the bolts there. Look, them big ass bolts there. I don't know if you can see them bolts there. But yeah, this is not moving. This is solid to the wall. And obviously, don't worry about these little flimsy bits. These are just from my old bed, and obviously I'm using the bed at the moment. But I'm going to get some suspension arms. So I'll put about, I don't know, 5mm, 3mm plywood on top of this. So when I lift it, it just lifts up on its own. And that's the other side. But obviously I can't do anything yet till I do the tongue and groove in the window. And then it'd be like an L shape. And then basically, technically, everything will be stored underneath this, because obviously I need a shower and toilet. A lot of people don't have showers and toilets in their van, yeah? And you might say, where's the cooker and that? But the cooker's going to be on top of this. If that makes sense, I will show you the project. And I know I've got the chair in the way, but I don't mind if I have to kneel to wash up. I don't mind that. But or I could wash up in the shower, but I am going to have a sink on it. Or I might put the sink here, yeah, because obviously this space is neutralised. You know, I might have a floating wall sink in here, because obviously all these cushions I've got to get redone now. And that is 6 foot as well. That bed is 6 foot. Yeah, I'm really, really happy. I sold the fridge as well. I'm going to get another fridge with a freezer in it. And what else have I done? So I played around with this today. I keep playing around with 12 volt electrics. It's doing my head in at the moment. So what I've done, the on switch now controls the TV and the PVR. So if I switch it on, the TV comes on standby. Sorry there guys, I lost you. My SD card fell up. Anyway, what I was saying, so this dimmer was meant to control that fan, but it doesn't. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this for these floodlights. I've got a few of these, but I might just get a big one when I install the awning outside. These things light up, like they illuminate the whole bloody area. So dimmer switch will come in handy. Let me switch off that thing. And yeah, I've just been wiring up, making sure everything's fused and stuff like that. Yep, everything working great. And obviously I hardwired this. Nice little breeze that is actually. I like that fan. To be honest, I don't really need the big one, but when it's really, 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 really hot in here, you need something to exhaust them, you know, exhaust the heat out of it. You definitely need that. But yeah guys, that's everything at the moment. And my hot water boiler, I think about using it. I don't think I'm going to spend £500 just to have a, you know, one of them motorhome thermostat heater things in it. because I don't really need it now. I was thinking, obviously, I can have it hanged in here, get the tube, drill it out the hole, and have, you know, all the bad gases going outside the van. Because I have to drill a hole underneath anyway, so I might as well just keep that. Easy to maintain, cheap, you know, you can buy them for 140 quid or 130 quid, maybe cheaper now. And yeah, leave it as that. The batteries, tomorrow what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect these and make sure they're actually holding the right current, because I think one of them's not charging, to be honest. But yeah, I will check that tomorrow. I've got another 3 anyway. I've got 6 batteries in total. But yeah, we will see. And the bedding area, check this out then. Everyone might think that's too high. The reason I've done it high is the kids can jump over and their bed starts from the bottom of there. Look at that, look how much room they got. So they can sit up, no problem. The little one can stand up, obviously. And obviously I'm still finishing off the bed. But yeah, it's a big bed in there. She'll love that. I put some, I put a 12 volt adapter over there for her, so she can watch her TV and that, and then she have a little privacy wall, you know what I mean? And we have a little privacy wall, we're going to put like a curtain up there as well, I think. Block off anything. But yeah guys, that's about it. I'm just trying to look for a VW chair. And yeah, that's it. But everything else is doing good. All I've got to do is all these trimmings now, take off all this excess insulation, tie all this part up, finish here and here. But yeah guys, I'll keep you updated on the diesel heater. Stay safe, and now Hobbies and Gadgets is signing out. Peace. Alright guys, I'll quickly throw this in here because I just wired up this little spotlight. Don't know if you can hear that little noise, but that's when it's on really low. And these are the spotlights what I'm talking about, I'm going to use outside. So let me just show you. So look, when it's on full blast, no noise. When I start turning it down, like, you can hear like a little winding, just a little winding. But if I can have the lights on, like, you know, like that, switch that off and show you. If I can have the lights on like that outside, or maybe a bit brighter, yeah, I think that'd be quite cool. So let me show you when it's fully bright. Bloody hell, them lights are bright, aren't they? But yeah, I'll just put that in there for you guys, just to show you that little dimmer switch, because I only paid about 3 quid for it. Alright, cool. Peace.